this is our building. We're in second floor in the privileged building. So we are staying in room 3228.
Hi.
So this is our room. To your left is our bathroom. So we have a bathtub with jets on it, so pretty good. Because we're staying in privilege, we have this ocean amenities, which is only for privileged guests. They also have this blower, hair dryer, and this is our shower. So it has the telephone and the rain shower. And on the other side, it is the poo-poo, the toilet. So that's a huge mirror, so pretty good. And this is very, very nice door, French door. See, so that's, and next is like a body mirror, a body length mirror, which is pretty good for us, so we can change our outfits. And this is a 2 double queen size bed or queen size bed. And as part of the privilege, we get this amenity. It has this slippers, ocean, and here's the TV. The mini bar is hidden here below. They're still gonna stock it up. Lights, very modern hotel. This one is like study area, your study. And as part of the privilege, you're gonna have this setup when you come in. So they gave us this and that wine. Here's my mom. It's her first time in Mexico.
Hi.
And my brother, my youngest brother, Luis.
Hello.
So this couch is gonna be turned into the third bed, which is, I don't know who's gonna be there, probably me. And here is our, what do you call this one, Luis? Veranda?
Yeah, this is our balcony.
Balcony. How do I open?
Just like that, you have to go this way.
So this is our balcony. And we have a jacuzzi outside. And we have these 2 chairs. And guys, this is our view. So we are in a garden view. So we don't have pool. We don't have pool in this side, but it's on the other side. And we have ceiling fans. And our butler just told us earlier while we're on our way here that there's a crocodile on that side. But nothing to worry because there is fence there. So this is it, guys. This is the privilege room. So that's it, guys. So this is my mini room tour, and we're very tired right now. We're just waiting for our luggages, and we're gonna freshen up, and hopefully we're gonna get our luggage pretty soon because we're very hungry. And this is it for a review, and I will make another video of the resort tour, so you'll see the whole resort in a different video. So guys, if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't miss to like the like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, I'll see you in my next vlog.